Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. In today's video, I will show you how to install and use GBoard on your Android phone in a simple and easy to follow way. For this tutorial, I'll be using an Infinix Hot 8 device, but these steps should work on most Android phones. Here's what we'll go through step by step. At number 1, install GBoard from Play Store. 2. Enable GBoard in settings. 3. Set GBoard as default keyboard. 4. Customize GBoard settings. 5. Use voice typing feature. Let us get started. At step number 1, install GBoard from Play Store. If you don't already have GBoard installed, open the Google Play Store. Then search for GBoard in the search bar. Tap on the app and select Install to download it to your device. Step number 2, open and enable GBoard. Once installed, you can open it directly from the Play Store or find it on your home screen. Tap on the app to launch it. Next, tap Enable in Settings to activate GBoard on your device. Step number 3, set GBoard as default keyboard. After enabling it, you need to set it as your input method. Tap on Select Input Method. Then choose GBoard from the list. This switches your keyboard from the default one to GBoard. Step number 4, customize GBoard settings. Once set up, you can now customize GBoard to your preference. You can change things like languages and keyboard layouts, theme design, glide typing, voice typing, clipboard features. You can also quickly access some options directly from the keyboard, such as changing themes or enabling voice input. Step number 5, use voice typing. To use voice typing, tap the microphone icon on your keyboard. Allow the required permissions, and then start speaking. Your words will be converted into text automatically. When you are done, just tap the microphone icon again to stop voice typing. And hey, for disclaimer purpose only, this video is created for educational and tutorial purposes only. The device, interface, and settings shown may vary depending on your Android version or phone model. GBoard is a product of Google, and this video is not sponsored, affiliated with, or endorsed by Google. Always review app permissions and privacy settings based on your personal preferences. And that's it. You have successfully set up and learned how to use GBoard on your Android phone. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple and useful tech tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.